Hello guys, Wolfie Sparks here. I just got the keldeo, how the fuck do you pronounce this? Keldeo Mythical Collection pin box thing. Is the pin and the promo. Alright, let's get into it. Oh, I just fucking ripped it. And it comes with 2 booster packs and stuff like that. Let me get the code card and the promo out without damaging it somehow. Alright. There is the promo card of keldeo. Put that back there. Take our booster packs, and there's our little keldeo pin. It's hard to see it, but yeah. So put that right there. Take our booster packs, get 2 of them, Blastoise and Pikachu. Let's get into it. I really hope I get a Mega Gardevoir or a Charizard Holo or the Flareon Holo. Alrighty, let's get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we get Pokemon Center Lady, Clement, Fletchling, Parasect, Magikarp, Steel Energy, Pikachu, Clefairy, Evosoda, and the Dene Holo. Not exactly what I wanted, but a Holo, I'll take it. And that probably means this next pack is going to be shit or better. But let's hope not. One, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Haunter, Max Revive, Chikorita, Rapidash, Tangela, Magikarp, Steel Energy, Pikachu, Cloyster. Oh! Yes! The Flareon EX Holo I wanted. I got it. Yes! That's the card I wanted. I actually got it. That's fucking amazing. Anyways, thanks for watching. Wolfie Sparks out. Hope you enjoyed.